Alright, this is going to be a little bit different. I have never done a unboxing video on my YouTube before. But, yeah, I think I'm going to do one. So, yesterday, my papa got a Jeep multi-tool, and we're going to take a look at it. He gave this to me. I've been waiting for it. It's been in the mail for like 3 weeks, and I've been so excited. We have directions, which my subscribers probably know. We'll use them for later. Oh yeah, it does come in this awesome case, which I'll probably use on my belt, but haven't used it yet. I brought this to golf practice today, and I sharpened a pencil with it. Now, what's cool about it is that it has pliers. Sorry, it ran out of storage. I was saying it's kind of like the SOG switch plier, because if you push this down, it springs open. Now, one thing that would be cool is if the teeth would line up, but I don't know if they're supposed to, because the end, yeah, I don't think they are, but it does have a wire cutter down there, and then I don't know, I like these pliers. I can't tell you how many times I've been outside and I've been like, hey, does anybody have a plier? And they're like, nope, 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 so that'll be cool to have. Okay, sorry about all these jump cuts. My phone, I had to delete a bunch of pictures in an app. I don't know if I showed you this, but you push it in. There's a little thing that locks it in. What's the next thing? There's a wrench, which goes out to that far, and it gets pretty tight. It's a good wrench. The only reason that didn't stay is because I don't want to pinch my finger off. No, a good wrench. Pocket quip. Yeah, what am I saying? Yeah, it's got a pocket quip. It's got a pocket clip, and what else? It's got some flathead and Phillips head screwdrivers. 3 of them, and you just push them out of this little compartment. See that? They go in there, and you can take your finger and push them right on out. So, and cool thing about this is that one of them is magnetic, so it fits all of them in there, and they won't fall out. But the other one is not, and yeah, they just fall right out. But that's alright, because I don't think you're going to be like flinging this thing around. I did use the Phillips head because I was fixing my throwing knife board, because I broke through, so I had to use it to screw a cork back in. And last but not least, it's kind of tough to open, but there is a drop point blade, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. But I did sharpen it. And subscribers, you know what I've saved this for. It does not, like, barely cuts paper. Now, I said I sharpened it a little bit. Like, I give it 5-6 strokes probably on the sharpening rod. But I would recommend this because this is really cool, and I've seen some out there that have hammers, but I don't think that's very practical because you could just take the wrench and hammer a nail or anything you need in and it won't destroy it. But I think it looks a little more intimidating than it actually is, because you imagine walking up to somebody, they're like, oh god, look at how big his knife is, and then you just pull this thing out. So it's not very even, but it's still I like how it has the pliers and the wrench and the screwdriver and the knife and everything. It's really cool, and I would recommend you get it because it's not the most expensive thing in the world, but it's not a cheap thing that'll fall apart. Yeah, definitely recommended. Go out and buy one if you like multi-tools.